Hey Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool around here, and basically what this is a cordless handheld vacuum. If you can see, for the one that we got right here is from this brand, and then here is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get in. So first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what is actually included inside first. So first thing inside right here, and see they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And they do call it the H9 Pro. And right underneath that, you can see we do have this part right here. So let's do take it out. There is some accessories inside, and there's some more stuff underneath it, but see what's in here first. So first thing inside right here, they do provide guys one of these tools. So this right here, you see we do have a brush option, and the other side right here is basically where it's going to insert it onto the product. And they do have like a clear design, so that way you can see everything inside. And then for the other side right here is basically the other tool that's included for you. And you guys can see right here, they do have the brand logo. But basically this side right here is where it's going to insert it onto the product. And for this side right here is a suction option. So that is basically the second tool that's included inside. And right underneath that, you can see we do have the product. So let's do take it out. And we have to take out this part right here as well. Inside right here, they do provide you guys a charging cable. So let's take it out first. So the cable that's provided for you guys inside is a USB to USB-C cable. So you can definitely use that to recharge the product. And having that USB-C option is actually pretty cool. So that way you guys can use almost anything to recharge it, whether it's like a wall charger or power bank or anything else. And last but not least, we do have the product. So let's do take it out. Here is basically what the product looks like. So right here, they do mention how it is called an H9 Pro. Right here, they do provide guys some specs and features on the product. So they do mention how it does have a brushless motor, 48W power, strong suction, 30-minute runtime, and it has a 600 milliliter dustbin capacity on here. So right here is basically where you're going to insert each one of the sticks or the accessory. Right here, we do have the LED light. So that way, when you guys are using dark setting, you guys can see where the vacuuming. Top out right here, and you see we do have the button for turn it off and turn it on. And right underneath that, you see we do have a button for you to change a different mode, probably from like low to high. Right here, we do have the handle option for you guys to hold it really easily. Bottom part right here is basically where you can plug in the cable to recharge it, which is USB-C. And for the product, it has a built-in battery, so there's nothing for it to take out to charge it separately or something. And right here, we do have the dustbin option. So the way how it's opened up, you basically want to push this button right here. But before you guys push that button right here, you guys want to push this part up to release it. So if you guys push it again, that basically opens up. And inside, they do have the filter inside. So if you guys do take it out, here's basically what the inside looks right here. And inside right there, we do have a filter. So if you guys do take out the filter, here's basically what the inside looks like. So I'm assuming for this filter, you do have the option to wash it as well. Same thing for this part. But once you guys are done cleaning inside, you guys can put it back in. So just like that. So I close it back up. Now you guys are all set. So the way how you put it in the head is actually very easy. You basically want to put it in like this. Make sure it locks in. And if you guys need to release it, you basically want to press on the back part right here. But once you guys put that part in, now you put it in the other part. So just like that. So once you guys do fully set it up, here is basically what the product looks like. So before I should test this out, let me actually plug in cable to show you guys how to charge it first. So like I mentioned, for the product, it allows you guys to use anything to recharge it. So for this test, I'm gonna use a power bank to show you guys how to recharge it. So right here, I do my power bank. If you guys do plug it in, and the other side will plug it onto the actual vacuum. So if you guys open up, if you guys do plug it in, once you guys do plug it in, you can see right here, it does show you guys that it's charging. So I'm assuming for this part right here, once it's fully light up, that is basically how you guys know when it's fully charged. And if you guys do try to turn it on, it won't turn on when you guys are charging it. So you do need to actually unplug the cable before you can start using it. But that is basically how you guys do charge it. Now let me unplug the cable and test it out to show you guys how it works and show you guys what the product sounds like. So if you guys do unplug the cable, if you guys do turn it on, that is basically what the product sounds like on the low setting. Now let me increase it. So that is basically what the product sounds like on the low setting versus high setting. If you guys notice, when you guys do turn it on, it does show you guys the indicator light right here. So if I do turn that on one more time, that is low, and that is high. And when you guys do turn it on, you guys can definitely feel the ventilation fan on the side to help you guys prevent it from overheating, and also like the air filter as well. So now let's go test this out to show you guys how the product works. So right here, you can see we do have a pet bed, and there's a lot of hair on here. So if you guys do turn it on, let's test it out. Alright, so you can see the heater that's inside when you guys do use it. So it definitely does work. So now let's pour it out. So like I mentioned earlier, you basically want to press on this button right here. And you pour out the trash really easily. And you can close it back up. And it's all set. Alright, so you can see from that quick little test, the product definitely does work. Like even right here, you can see we do still have some of the heater that's on here. So you basically want to clean this as well. And when you guys do turn it on, and you see right here, like I mentioned, it does have the LED light that turns on. So that way you can see where it's vacuuming in a dark setting. And another thing that I forgot to mention is the fact that the way how they designed the product, it allows you guys to put it flat down on a table like this, like a flat surface, which is pretty cool. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality portable handheld vacuum. They basically give you guys everything like I mentioned right here in terms of the brush option, the light option, and the fact that how it's super compact and portable, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously if you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.